Hello all our Desi and Pardesi foodies out there. Welcome to our channel, A Desi Abroad. Well friends, who doesn't love a Malaidar curry? And today's recipe is just that and much more, a Malaidar Egg Paneer Curry. And we stumbled upon this recipe when trying to cook something different in our kitchen, and it came out so yummy that we thought why not share it with all of you. So let's take a look at how we make this dish. So we are going to start by boiling 4 eggs. Peel them and cut them into halves and set them aside. We'll add it to the curry later. Now to a pan, add 1 teaspoon of oil and saute 2 medium-sized sliced onions, 2 green chilies, handful of chopped coriander and 8 to 10 mint leaves. We don't want the onions to be brown, just lightly saute them for about 2 to 3 minutes. And once cooled, we are going to grind this to a smooth paste. Now to the same pan, add 2 large tablespoons of oil and then we are going to add in the ground paste. We are going to cook this paste on medium to low heat for 5 minutes, and as you continue cooking it, you notice that the oil starts separating at the edges. Now we are going to add in 1 teaspoon of salt, or add as per your taste. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and we are going to cook this till the raw smell of ginger garlic is gone. Now we are adding 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Continue cooking on medium to low heat and keep stirring the paste to prevent it from burning. After 5 minutes of cooking, now we are going to add in 4 tablespoons of yogurt, approximately half a cup. Once we add in the yogurt, we need to mix quickly and thoroughly, as this will prevent the yogurt from curdling. Now we are adding half a cup of water, approximately 100 ml, to thin the consistency of the gravy. Cover and cook this on medium to low heat for 3 minutes, and as it cooks, the oil will start separating from the gravy. Now we are going to add in 2 large tablespoons of double cream. This will give the gravy a very creamy texture. We are also adding in half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix well. Cover and cook for a further 2 minutes on medium to low heat. Now add in a handful of grated paneer. This will take the flavor of this dish to a whole new level. The gravy is going to be so creamy and delicious, and the paneer is going to melt in your mouth when you eat it. Now we are going to add the eggs which have been cut with the yolk side facing down. Let it cook on low heat for about a minute and then gently turn the eggs over. And dear friends, there we have a Malaidar Egg Paneer ready to be enjoyed. Serve hot with either roti or rice, and once you start eating it, you will be licking your fingers. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as we loved making this recipe for you. Do try it out at home, enjoy it with your family and friends, and let us know how much you loved it. And before you go, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon to receive notifications of all our latest video uploads. And we will see you soon with another mouth-watering recipe. Until then, stay safe and happy.